Hello, this is Rich Collins, your instructor in ATM 101 Weather and Climate of Alaska here at the University of Alaska, Fairbanks. Welcome to Unit 2. In this unit we study the composition and structure of the atmosphere and begin making, recording and reporting our meteorological measurements. This week we want you to make your first measurements and your first weather report. If you have not looked at your equipment kit, please do so as soon as possible. The reading for this unit is Chapter 2 of Weather Studies and Chapter 1 of Climate of Alaska. In Chapter 2 of Weather Studies, you will explore what the atmosphere is made of and how the atmosphere is structured into different layers. The chapter also discusses how scientists do science and use the scientific method. In Chapter 1 of Climate of Alaska, you will get an overview of the geography, weather, and climate of Alaska. It introduces how our geography, weather, and climate are related to each other. Given the size of Alaska, we have a great variety of weather and climate across the state. Our goal is to place the concepts in an Alaskan perspective so that they relate to you and your local community. In the lecture screencast for this week, I highlight the key themes of this unit. You should watch it before you jump into the reading. I strongly recommend that you attempt the quiz only after you have completed all the other parts of the assignments. That way you can bring the benefit of all your work, thinking and reflection to the quiz and maximize your quiz score. In the investigation this week, you will carry out and report your first measurements and introduce your location to the class. Having read Chapter 1 of Climate of Alaska, you can identify your climate region and reflect on the geographic factors that influence your weather and climate. The perspective you bring to the class from your different locations with different weather and climate is one of the most important aspects of the class. The teaching assistant and I look forward to hearing from you and learning about you and your community. Thank you and good luck.